This store operates on a dropshipping model and sells this product. Last month, it managed to generate more than $31,000 in sales from these products, all without spending a single dollar on advertisements. The secret was creating content on TikTok. The store link is placed in the bio and daily content is created about these products. This product is sold for approximately $50, while its cost is about $25. This allowed for a significant profit margin, resulting in more than 700 orders last month. Today we will learn step by step how to start dropshipping. Subscribe to the channel and like this video because I share winning products daily. I will leave a registration link for Shopify in the video description. Through this link you will get a free trial, and your first 3 months on Shopify will cost $1 per month instead of paying the full plan price. Additionally, if you plan to run ads on TikTok, there is an excellent offer. If you spend $100 on ads, you will receive an additional $100 credit that you can use again. The link to this offer is in the video description. After setting up your online store on Shopify, we move on to the next step, which is the supplier. The supplier is Zendrop, and I will leave a link to install the app in the video description. Zendrop offers a free plan and provides thousands of winning products, auto-fulfillment, fast shipping, and professional support. Install the app on your store. Then go to Apps in Shopify and select Zendrop. Search for the product name and you will find many products to work with. Select this product, open it, and all the product details will appear, such as the variants, available colors and sizes. You will also see the product cost, shipping cost, which varies by country, and total cost. To add this product to your store, click on Add to My Products. Then click on My Products and you will find the product there. Click on Review and Publish. And from here, edit all the product details before publish. Product name, product description, variants, selling price. You can adjust the price to $50, which will show the net profit per piece. Choose the images you want to publish on the store. Then click on Publish to My Store and confirm. This will publish the product to the store. If you go to Shopify and click on Products, you will find the product listed. Now you will complete designing the online store and connect payment gateways so customers can pay for the product. Once you start receiving orders, go to Zendrop and you will find the orders there. You will need to add funds equal to the order cost, and then you can start shipping it to customers. The advantage of Zendrop is that it provides 25 order fulfillments in the free plan. If you need to fulfill an unlimited number of orders, you can subscribe to a paid plan. After that, you have 2 options. Start with paid ads on TikTok. Create daily content. Place the store link in the bio and customers will order through it. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions, leave them in a comment. Goodbye.